Betwixt sweetness and bitter I am stayed by true love that constraineth me night and day. For sweetness 'tis that I love my sweet lady gay, and bitter 'tis that I am not loved in trade. And sweetness is her gentle form and face displayed, and bitter 'tis that she gives me no succor's ray. And sweetness is that none so